Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English class standard 6. 3.3 Eco-friendly celebration. 25th September 2015 Pune. Dear Atharva, I received your letter. Hey, first of all, congratulations. It's really amazing that you are celebrated eco-friendly Ganesh Utsav in America. Please write to me more about it. Here we are also planning to celebrate an eco-friendly Diwali. Are you surprised? Yes, we are actually planning a Diwali without crackers. But of course with delicious traditional snacks, mouth-watering chaklis, anarsa, karanji and laddus. To make up for the crackers, we are going to make a beautiful paper lantern at home. I am also going to make a model of Fort Raigad. I am collecting some pictures and lot of information about Raigad. When you are planning to come to India, we are all waiting to meet you. Remember bro, we are not just cousins, we are friends too. I always love to read your letters. Atharva, I have heard a lot of Thanksgiving and Halloween in the US. I am really curious to know more about them. Please do write to me. Convey my regards to Kaka and Kaku. Love to dear Ojas. Yours lovingly, Sharva.